What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be using the K&N Recharger Air Filter Cleaning Kit on my Genesis Coupe here. And what we're going to be doing is cleaning the filter. It does not matter what car you're doing this on, as long as you have the K&N Air Filter and then the K&N Recharger Kit. But I'm going to be doing this on my 2012 Genesis Coupe. Shouldn't make that much of a difference if you're doing it on Mustang. I don't even know what else has K&N intakes. BMWs?
Not that I know of.
Alright, whatever. So, yeah, my intake is pretty dirty, but we're going to be using this kit to clean it off. I bought this off of Amazon for like $12.99, somewhere around there. And I'm going to leave the link in the description, but this should be quite an easy video, quite an easy, I wouldn't say an install. Maintenance?
Maintenance mod.
Maintenance sounds good to me. Alright, so we're going to come over here. And we're going to ignore the leaf blower over there. We're going to just take off the hose clamp. Shouldn't be that hard at all. I'm going to leave this on here just so I don't lose it. It's just dirty. Look at that. Sad day. Alright, let's get the cleaning installed. So now we're in the basement and it's gonna be quite echoey, but sorry guys. The only reason why I'm doing this down in the basement is because I got this nice sink in here. Don't want to do it in the kitchen to get my mom mad, so we're doing it in the basement. So, oh yeah, you couldn't see that. I have this in the sink. I didn't do anything to it. I just took it out of my car and brought it down here. The first thing that we're gonna want to do is use the air filter cleaner.
You're good. You could see up to like right top of my shoe. I could see the K&N. I could see the paper towels. And I could just see your top of your forehead.
Okay. So I'm just gonna spray this. It says to do one coat, but I'm just gonna spray the hell out of it. Wait, it might not be open. It is, never mind. It smells like Windex. Look at that famous guy over here. Alright, I definitely used a lot more than what you were supposed to. This stuff tastes terrible. It just got in my mouth. Alright, so I used a lot more. I used a lot more than I was supposed to. But now it just says to let this sit for 10 minutes. So,
play a game of COD.
Play a quick game of COD, that sounds good to me. It's 1:50. I'll let this sit till like 2 o'clock. Or maybe a couple games of 10v10. And we'll get back to this. And I can't breathe, this stuff's bad. It's like 15 minutes later roughly. And this has been sitting. And what we're supposed to do is clean it from the inside. It says not to use like a high pressure water, so I wouldn't use a hose. I don't know if it's gonna destroy the intake. If you want to use a hose, go for it. I was told not to. So I'm gonna use warm water coming from the sink from the inside. And I'm just gonna keep repeating the process until all the dirt comes off. If you want, you can spray it again and repeat the process, let it sit, and then do the water again, but I'm just gonna get going after this. After soaking it for a little bit, and I sprayed a little bit more on this, and then immediately just like rinsed it off, kind of just like playing around a little bit. It looks cleaner, or a lot cleaner I should say, and it is not red at the moment because the red look is the red oil, as it says right on the box, right there. So this is pretty clean right now, and it's actually pretty dry already. After I finished rinsing it off, I kind of just like shook it into the sink, got all the excess water off of it, and then just took some paper towels and just dried it off super quickly. It's honestly pretty dry already. It might be a little bit damp. If you want, you can leave it in the sun for a little bit or whatever you feel like doing with it, but I don't recommend driving right away just because you want to be a little safe. I don't know. But we're gonna go back up upstairs and we're gonna spray this with the oil. This looks like silly string. Right, the little small cans. Alright, so according to this, you just gotta do, it shows just a quick coat going all the way around it, and then maybe wait a couple minutes, and then do another coat on it, but not heavy. Alright guys, so after doing the second coat going around this, it did get a little bit messy, just like it was like dripping off the sides, and also getting it on the top of it. But I just kind of took like a microfiber, kind of just cleaned it off. It looks almost like what it came out of the box when I first got it. And I think we're gonna throw this John right back in there where it came from, eh? Doesn't that have to go on first? Yeah, of course. Just making sure you're paying attention.
Anytime.
Alright. Looking fast, boy, eh?
That's a fact.
Ooh. We had some heat bumping. Something light. Yeah, something light. And you're not getting my dance moves. Nah, it's too late. The music's gone already. Alright, let's screw this John on there. I hope my hands are in the way. Why am I using a screwdriver now and not driver? Alright, make sure nice and tight. We can't let that 250 horsepower out.
Just take that, what's it called?
Does it work like that?
Not even a driver.
It's smaller, isn't it? Oh!
Pro tip.
Pro tip. Alright, I don't want to make it too tight. Alright. Something light. Good to me. That right there is going to be one of the hardest mods you're ever going to do on your car, so make sure you give yourself about 12 hours to do so, and you're going to need a lot of tools, so good luck guys. Besides that guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Quite an easy maintenance mod, cleaning, I don't even know what you would consider this, but not that hard. If you guys do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. We'll go back to you guys as soon as we could. Make sure to like this video, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.